Okay, so Sohan, I am going to record your interview experience at NITI Bombay, and please tell briefly about you, Sohan, first, your branch, your category, your gate score, and anything you have done after graduation, and then we come to NITI Bombay experience.
Basically, my name is Sohan, and I have completed my graduation from Vishwesvaraya National Institute of Technology in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering. I passed out in 2020. I appeared for the GATE in 2021 and secured the rank 28. And my GATE score was 791, and my category is SC.
Okay. So, Sohan, I'm very sure with these credentials, because you have category also, but otherwise also your score is so good. So I'm very sure wherever you will apply, you get a call. So can you please briefly tell us from where you got the calls with these credentials?
Actually, sir, I got call from NITI Bombay first, and then actually with this marks, I applied for the very less in very less institutes, like for the higher branches, like in IIT Bombay, IEOR,
No.
and then the lower branches of IIT Bombay. The first preference was IEOR, then NITI Bombay, then ISC Bangalore's like computational data science, material science, nanotechnology, CPDM, and smart manufacturing, and Master of Management.
Okay.
Only these branches, and I got offer letter from NITI Bombay as well as from CDS, Computational and Data Science.
अच्छा, मतलब NITI Bombay में भी आपका हो गया selection, fine?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, Sohan, tell me, NITI Bombay में there are two courses, IE and sustainable this thing, right? So you applied in both?
No, I applied for only one course, IE, and I got selected for that only.
And you got IE, good. Now that was first in your priority or something else is first in your priority?
Actually, my first priority is Computational and Data Science, ISC Bangalore.
Okay, and what happened to that?
I got selected.
So you got that also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sohan, so go ahead. So you got your dream two things, and I believe it must be dissonance or confusion now. NITI Bombay best option मिल गया, computational data science भी मिल गया. तो computational data science तुम्हें किसमें COAP round 1 में reflect हुआ, Sohan? किसमें हुआ?
First round.
So that is the MTech, हाँ?
MTech.
मेरे को तो COAP round 1 मेरे ख्याल से जो 27-28 मई को था COAP round 1 उसमें हाँ 28 था, right? 28. So what are the courses reflected? What selections are reflected for you in that?
Actually, I applied only in 2 institutes, IIT Bombay and ISC Bangalore.
Yes.
So I got call from both institute, and that materials manufacturing and modeling, that branch I got offered from IIT Bombay and ISC Bangalore, Computation and Data Science.
What about IEOR? They have released the list or something? No.
No, actually, my first preference was IEOR, but they didn't offer me that course.
Okay. So IEOR still they have not released, huh?
I think I guess no.
Okay. Anyhow, so Sohan, then what you are going to do now? You have taken round 1, you have accepted and freeze it, or what? What you have done?
I accepted the offer.
So you are going to leave now NITI Bombay, right?
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay. Now I tell you, this is a main confusion to students, that whether we should go for main MTech courses or we should go for NITI Bombay course. So how to resolve this crisis? In your case, how did you resolve it?
Actually, sir, like whenever I see such confusions, like in career wise, I see like from the perspective of the next 5 year or like in future. Okay. Like according to the future, like this course, like computational data science, it has very much like large scope in the future. Like many things will be based on this particular thing, like data science. That's why I chose this course. Like NITI is not also bad course, that but in NITI, like when you will be graduated, like mostly soft skill will be required to like but in this course, if you like upgraded yourself technically, then you can like grow in many more areas.
That's true. Just one more thing I want to ask you, like in computational and data science is a very competitive branch, right? You find people from computer science, electrical, electronic, mechanical, all domains, right? And here you are from metallurgy. So now tell me, will it be comfortable for you to, excel there and manage, because IISc is very harsh course, what I know. They put a lot of emphasis on mathematics and computation and maybe coding or something. So will you be in position to manage it, or do you have some prior experience of this?
Actually, I have no prior experience of coding. but like I have my mathematics background is like comfortable. I'm very comfortable with it. Like you can say very strong. So like I asked I spoke to the, like many most like seniors, like someone are pass outs and someone are doing still their masters there. Like they told me like the course is not that difficult, but you have to work hard.
Okay.
Like I asked one senior that he said be prepared with like languages, like basic knowledge of, you should have basic knowledge of the languages like C, C++, Python, MATLAB, and data structure and algorithm. Like this data structure and algorithm, this is the base of like computer science, like backbone of computer science. Like we must like hand over it. Form grip over that data structure and the algorithm. So I am doing that, and I'm like gaining the basic knowledge of the C and C++, and Python will be used more. Like C and C++ will be only for the one semester. Like there is subject of introduction to scalable system. There only we will want to use that C and C++ like assignments only. And this data structure will be used in like placements also. That's why. But yes, like they said, like if you like ready to do hard work, the branch is not that too difficult.
Okay. You know, there is a misconception in students, like for data science, coding and knowledge of algorithm is required. In my opinion, I think knowledge of mathematics is required to enter into data science. Not,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not saying
Actually,
that to do MTech, but I'm saying entering into data science courses.
Yes, sir.
Only mathematics knowledge is
actually
required.
like he said, like the branch is more oriented towards the maths and statistics.
Okay. So whosoever is having good knowledge of that, they can think of going there.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now,
and
so
actually, I want to grow in the quantitative finance through data science. That's why I'm
okay. So you want to pursue career in finance later on, huh? Yes. Okay, good. So Sohan, now let me ask you another question related to this only. Was there any interview for MTech in data science in IISc Bangalore?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For like every interdisciplinary branch, they took interview.
Okay, great. So like student think that MTech में interview नहीं होता, MS में interview होता, that is wrong. So as you said, IISc Bangalore में interdisciplinary अगर course रहेगा तो उसमें interview है, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now Sohan, I come to first interview about your IISc Bangalore data science, and then we come to NITI Bombay.
सर एक्चुअली मैंने दिया है इसका इंटरव्यू.
अच्छा, इसका आपने रिकॉर्ड करवा दिया,
हो गया, आईआईसी बैंगलोर का पूरा हो गया.
Done. So let's now come to NITI Bombay, your interview in this thing. So please tell us about that now.
Actually, like my interview was scheduled on the 27th of, like there was 3 dates, 27, 26, 27, 28. I chose the 27th date, and like they just made the group of the first like who were in the panels. Like my number was 11th. So I asked like prior question to many of that many of like who had already given the interview. They said only hobbies, only hobbies, your introduction, and men if they like are interested, then like if your background match with the professor's like area of interest, then like 4 questions might have been asked, might be asked. But when I appeared for the interview, like they asked me to introduce first, and I introduced myself. Then from there they pick up the point, like my hobby, like whatever I said, like they asked me, why do you want to join NITI? Like I said, like I want to develop soft skills such as, like I said, one soft skill is leadership quality. Then they asked me to elaborate what is leader and good leader. Okay. I briefly explained them. After that, they asked me about my hobby. I told them briefly about my hobby. Then the professor asked me about he was from the finance background. Okay. So no matching with my core background. So he asked me basic question from the mathematics, and I answered that. That's it. So there were 2 professors, and none of them was from your background, right? No, sir. Like one professor, she was from electrical background, and she has done her master's, MBA from SJ Som, IIT Bombay. Okay. And sir was from finance background, finance and economics. So before interview, you were knowing their profile, right? Actually, sir, they mailed us. They mailed us like who were gonna take our interview. So I just like from the ET brochure, I just took out the
So if you know
information
this
and
fellow is from this fellow is from finance, is going to ask from finance. Something
yes,
like
yes. Actually, there are I asked like some other students. They said like basic of finance, like what is inflation and what is stock market, what is cryptocurrency. Such questions were also asked.
अच्छा तो कितनी देर चला होगा ये सोहन आपका इंटरव्यू?
Roughly, sir, like exact 11 point something minute.
11 मिनट. हाँ, तो सबका 11 मिनट हो रहा था या आपका?
नहीं, जिसका कोर मैच हो रहा है उसका थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा था. जैसे कोई मैकेनिकल बैकग्राउंड से है तो थोड़ा सा वो नीटी का वो आता है लाइक इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग का थोड़ा सा वो क्वेश्चन.
सिविल और इलेक्ट्रिक मैकेनिकल से वो इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग पूछ लेगा.
हाँ, उनके कोर सब्जेक्ट्स पूछ रहे थे.
कोर सब्जेक्ट्स पूछेगा. सही है. तो चलो दैट वाज. तो दो प्रोफेसर बैठे थे, तो तुम्हें लगा क्या इंटरव्यू के बाद कि दे आर गोइंग टू टेक यू और समथिंग लाइक दैट? कुछ उन्होंने शो किया उस तरीके से?
Like sir,
did they show something like they are going to take you or they are interested in you? जैसे एक फील आता है ना इंटरव्यू के बाद कि नहीं मैं इंटरव्यू.
हाँ सर, लग रहा था.
तुम्हें वो फील आया कि इट इज गुड?
एक्चुअली मैंने लाइक सब उन्होंने जो पूछा मैंने आंसर कर दिया.
I think that's the point. चलो great Sohan. So are you waiting for something else now or your now process stops here on 4th June?
Like I will go for like ISC Bangalore.
Okay, so I think now you will not be going for next rounds of COAP, right?
No. Actually I freeze my offer.
आपने freeze कर दिया, right? Freeze कर दिया और ISC Bangalore में now you are targeting, right? चलो
एक्चुअली थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट जाएगा लेकिन वो लाइक ब्रांच थोड़ा मैथमेटिक ओरिएंटेड है और लाइक सामने फ्यूचर वाइज भी, इसलिए मैंने वो देखा है.
मैं आपके साथ सीरीज ऑफ वीडियोस बनाऊंगा सोहन. आई विल मेक सीरीज ऑफ वीडियोस विद यू फॉर मेटलर्जी पीपल, मेटलर्जी स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? In which we can tell students like which departments they can apply, how they can target courses like NITI Bombay, how you prepared for metallurgy, what are the careers, and maybe once you join NITI, this ISC Bangalore, then also I'll make interview with you like how is this course and how a student of metallurgy can cope up with that. So I'll be making series of videos with you and they will be put on the YouTube for the benefit of students, for students of metallurgy. That is what I will do. And this one interview, mock interview experience, I'm recording it for the reference of the students. Fine, Sohan? Thanks a lot and all the very best for your career.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.